How to cancel Fabletics membership. In this video, I'll provide you one specific process or additional information as to how you can cancel your Fabletics VIP membership. This is very doable. And good thing about this, it has no cost. Now you can actually cancel your Fabletics VIP membership for free by calling customer service using the 24/7 live chat or managing your account online. Now, if you go into their official website, which is going to be this one, you can definitely head and use this option here that says help and contact. Now, you can click this one and you will automatically be redirected into their CSR or the help tab menu. And from here, scroll down and choose on membership. And for you to instantly go into the contact tab, choose on contact us, which is going to be this part right here. Now you're going to have to choose whether you're going to be using the telephone, the web messaging, or via Facebook Messenger. Provide all necessary information that they needed from you so that your VIP membership will be completely canceled and there are no cancellation fees once again. But note that these specific requests may take up to 30 days to fully process depending on your region. But that's it. That's how you cancel your Fabletics VIP membership.